Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey girl. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I achieve my low bun. You know, the low bun that gives that clean girl vibe, the Pinterest low bun, the Lori Harvey low bun. I'm joking guys, but I'm going to show you guys how I achieve my low bun without having to use gel on my hair. So of course you have to stretch your hair out. I rarely work on like extremely shrunken hair. So how I stretch out my hair is I put it in about 10 braids around my hair, and then I leave that for about 1 to 2 days because that just helps my hair, you know, dry properly and then become stretched. If you have low porosity hair, you know it takes a long time for your hair to get dry. Like I can wash my hair the day before, go to bed, wake up, this hair is still wet. So I like to leave it in for about 2 days. That helps stretch out the hair. How do you guys stretch out your hair? Do you use heat? Sometimes I use heat because I noticed that the water in Turkey is quite hard, and I also got a shower filter and stuff, but I saw somewhere where if you use hard water, sometimes it's okay to use heat, so it's like neutralizes some sort of thing. I'm still going to research about that, but yeah, this is my hair. So this is my hair with no extensions. So I'm going to make a middle part. I already have like a natural middle part, so it's just there regardless of whatever. What I like to do is I like to section my hair. Yes, we're trying to create a low bun, but I love to section my hair. So I'm going to section my hair in front and then put the back in a bun first before I do the rest of the hair. I know that does not make sense, but you guys are going to see what I mean because it's just easier to work with it that way. So I'm going to brush my hair into like a bun. Now that I've sectioned it, I'm going to brush my hair to the back and put it in a bun. I realized using a brush is way better, especially if my hair has been detangled previously. Using a brush to detangle my hair just works very well. And guys, I don't know, is it just me or my hair seems healthier? My hair seems to be growing. My hair seems to be I strongly believe it's getting better, to be honest, as compared to how my hair was. It looks more healthy and it looks to have grown a bit because I can actually put my hair in a low bun. Like, if it was not growing, this style would have not been possible. Do you get me? Like, it would not be possible to do this. I will have to use extensions. Yes, sometimes I love to still use extensions, but I'll have to use extensions and or bobby pins. But I do not use bobby pin in this style. So what I'm doing now is I'm just taking the sides and putting that into attaching it to the low bun I already did. Doing your hair in sections just make it easier, especially if you have full or kinky hair. It makes it easier for the hair to lay flat, especially if you're not using gel. And I've seen people who use gel, they still do their hair in sections because it just makes the hair lay flatter. So now I'm brushing the front section towards the back. You can choose to brush it however. If you do not have really full edges, I still do not have full edges, but if yours is worse than mine, I would suggest you brush it towards the side of your face. I also used this hair brush just so it makes everything slick down properly and entangles entangles with the rest of the hair. Just make sure everything is smooth down to the hair. If you want your hair to cover your edges, you can brush it towards the side. It's perfectly fine, but I think you may have to use bobby pins depending on the length of your hair. Then I'm going to use a scrunchie and just put my hair in a low bun. Guys, my hair can be in a low bun and even make a bun. Like, I can put it in a puff and make a bun. I strongly believe my hair is growing. Let me know what you guys think. Anyways, I'm going to use this Murray's edge wax to just lay my edges. This is not a compulsory step, but I just wanted to give it that voom to the vam of the hairstyle. If you get what I mean. If you get it, you get it. If you don't get it, forget about it, okay? So I'm just, trying to lay my edges, just trying to make sure, not doing too much, still not applying so much gel. but just laying my edges just so it's smooth, it's sleek. I believe sometimes with certain type of styles it's okay to lay your edges. I know some people do not like laying their edges, but with certain type of styles it's okay to lay your edges because it just gives that oomph, you know, the oomph in the style. Like it gives that neatness. I understand your hair can still look perfectly neat without laying your edges, but just because I have a little bit of scanty hair in that section, I'm like, you know what? I'm going to lay my edges. And I also sprayed a little bit of got to be. I don't think that was necessary. I don't know why I added the got to be, but I just decided I'm going to show you guys just to be completely transparent and so you guys can see what I did with the style. Now I'm going to use like my silk scarf. Like this right now is my hairstyle scarf, okay? It's like, or satin, sorry, my satin scarf. It's like the way to go. I always use it to iron my hairstyles, if you know what I mean. If you watch my hairstyle videos, you know what I mean. So I use that to iron my hairstyle. So I'm done with my makeup and I wanted to come in and show you guys the final result. This is what my hair is looking like. It's sleek, there's no gel. The only part where I would say I added gel was my edges, just so it looks sleek, but like my edges don't stay long sleek because by the time I step out it just curls back to wherever it was. Regardless, it's still okay. This is what my sleek low bun looks like. This is giving clean girl vibe. This is giving I'm not doing too much but I got my shit together type of situation. Like it's just very simple and very easy to do, and I feel my hair has grown a bit longer in order for everything to go back into a low bun. At a point before I used to be able to do that, but I trimmed my hair really short. So now it has grown to a level where I can do it. As you can see, I did not use any bobby pin whatsoever for this style. So it's just so easy, and I think doing it in sections also helps you get it properly. So if you want to attempt it, you can also use extensions. I think if I'm to use extensions, I'll probably try it with gel. So you know, I feel with gel it's going to make it very smooth down to my scalp if it works on my hair, and then I would want the buff or the bun to be a bit bigger. Let me know if you guys want me to try it out with gel, like do a sleek bun with gel. If you want me to do that, let me know in the comment section below. I'm definitely open to trying it out. However, this is what this hair is looking like. I've come to the end of this video. Let me know what you guys think about this style. I would wear this style everywhere. I don't care. I would wear it to anywhere and everywhere. I don't even have selections for where I would wear this style to. Anywhere, as long as stepping out of my house I would wear it. Inside my house I would wear it. So it doesn't matter. It's a fit all situation style type of situation if that makes any sense. Anyways, I've come to the end of this video. Let me know what you guys think and I'll see you in my next video. If you like my makeup look, I think I would upload a video soon. I was going for the latte, is it latte makeup look, but the eyeshadow. If you like my makeup look, just stay tuned, subscribe to my channel so you know whenever I upload the video. Okay, thank you, bye.